The most common culprits for your XENA car alarm constantly going off are shock sensitivity, moisture intrusion, and battery problems. For shock sensitivity, your XENA alarm likely uses a piezoelectric or accelerometer-based sensor. Even minor bumps can set it off, resulting in false alarms. If experiencing unprovoked alarms, adjust the sensitivity dial or potentiometer inside the alarm's control unit, typically found under the dashboard. Start by reducing the sensitivity from a high setting to a medium setting. If the problem persists, the shock sensor itself might be worn and need replacing. Moisture intrusion can cause electrical shorts and erratic behavior. Check for leaks around sunroofs or windows near the alarm unit. Seal any entry points with dielectric grease or waterproof tape. Consider relocating the alarm unit to a drier location within the car. For added protection, place silica gel packs inside the alarm housing to absorb humidity. Battery problems are another common issue that can cause your XENA alarm to malfunction. Batteries in XENA alarms can drain quickly due to parasitic loads. To fix this, switch to high-capacity lithium batteries, such as 9 volts or OA equivalents, which extend battery life beyond the typical 6 to 12 months of older lead-acid or lithium batteries. Ensure the wiring is secure to avoid voltage drops that can mimic faults. Regular maintenance prevents issues before they start. Trends show a shift from analog XENA systems to digital hybrids with app integration. Moisture-resistant designs are trending due to climate change impacts like increased flooding, prompting manufacturers to offer retrofit kits. Automotive engineer Dr. Maria Sanchez advises regular sensor recalibration to adapt to vehicle age. This helps prevent issues as vehicles get older. Remember to prioritize electrical safety when working with your car's electrical system. With a few simple adjustments and preventative measures, you can significantly reduce false alarms and keep your XENA alarm functioning reliably.